just stay wild. Come on, can't beat it, can't beat it, can't beat it, can't beat it with the big bad dough. Can't see it with this pitch black, put your brains on. Let me take these bitches off, let me get the full scope. Hold on, full screen HD. Let me take another picture, let me pull it to the pre-show. Whoa, cool beans, that's a whole lot of reefer. Let me help you with the pre-roll. You drink up all my liquor, come on. What I'm supposed to do now? And you talking all that shit, now come on. You gon' have to back it up. If I get too high now, sugar, come on. I might never come down, I might never come down. Never come down, no, let me get down. And you never come down. Wanna get down. And you never come down. Let me get down. Come on, you never come down. It took too long to get this high off the ground. Don't run, just stay a while.
Who's you, honey?
Hey.
Neon,
Hey, my bad.
I'm tired of it treated.
No.
All that womp sounds to me so obnoxious.
Boy, you played yourself with your nonsense. Hey, I don't know what you're saying, though. Don't you know? Yeah. Came in 88 with a dream oh so bright-eyed. They knew right away, sink or swim, there's no lifelines. Cutting their teeth on the move, nobody's filling these shoes. Balling on a budget at the Golden Arch, super size number 2. Cash, weight of the world ain't budging. Gotta make a power move, hey. Deep in the darkest dungeons, I'm digging up my own route. Hey, hands to the plow. Yeah. Keep my head down. Sweat on my brow. I don't know what you're saying, though.
Mon amour. Mon amour.
All right, this is for the long time.